Never let it be said, and you know what I'm going to say, guys and girls, don't you? That I don't go that extra mile, because I do. Fine tooth comb, everything is in the detail. Right, so the van is starting to look rather sweet. Yes, that is the driver's seat. Why is it there and not here, you ask? Well, that little knob sticking out, or that rod sticking out of there, that is for this, which is the pump it up, pump it down part of the seat, and it's stuck in its uppermost position, so someone's and jammed it up there, so I've had to get that off, which is no mean feat in itself. 20 minutes it took me to get it off without breaking it. It's like a square drive, square peg, little clips that snap into like a vortex Venturi sort of shape on there. Anyway, forget the seat. The seat was going to come out anyway, so I could clean the floor. So focus. I got to cleaning the floor, and I lifted this up, and I nearly shat my pantaloons. I kid you not. The mud under here. I know it's underneath the carpet and no one can see it, but you know my motto: the further you dig, you might see Stig. No, I don't know, Mum. The further you dig, the better. Get to know your vehicle, get to know whatever it is you're working on. Get to the heart of it. Have a good look at everything. Imagine and look up and find out how it works, or how it's supposed to work. And why it doesn't work, then fix the bloody things. Right, look what I found. Yes, and that, I kid you not, was nearly I was underneath all the sound deadening there. Look, there's a drain there, but unfortunately it's all completely covered by this sound deadening stuff. So I have been in here. Oh look, see, there's still more. It all has to be addressed, because if you just put the carpet back down, yeah, you know what's going to happen. A couple of MOTs down the road, you need new floor pans. So let me just give this a bit of a suck job. Okay, that's that. Yeah, let's get some of this brilliant stuff. I don't normally advertise on my channel, my tiny little channel, but this stuff is the dog's danglies. You don't need a lot, but you must shake it, because the separate chemicals in there, they separate. So you've got like pink, brown, black. See, you have to give it a darn good 5-finger shuffle to get that all sorted out. And then it's just a question of making your shorts wet with a wet brush, and then slapping it on. It goes on brilliantly. It goes straight on. It's best straight to rust, but obviously you have to remove the loose. Isn't that right, Andy? You have to remove all the loose. I should really go beyond that. That seems to... Oh, look at that, look. Yeah. Go on, get under there. Look at that. What's it like beyond the wiring? Yeah, that's right. That's expanding foam. That's factory for Ford. Right, let me just give it a bit of a sucky. Well, I think this warrants further. You know, I said expanding foam. I was joking, and it is expanding foam. Ford, what are you doing? Yeah, I think I'm going to go further with this tomorrow. It's getting on for 7 o'clock. Yeah, that would have gone through in no time. Look at that. That is drastic. See, the trouble is with the driver's foot well, not only does it not have a drain that's open, but it's normally, I mean, how often is it that you get two people, a passenger as well? You know, on a cold winter's day, lots of water on your feet, snow and ice, get straight in the footway. There's nowhere for it to go. It's easy for me to say, there's nowhere for it to go. So, sucky. Right, you buggers. Let's take that a bit nearer. I was on the roof yesterday evening trying to do the roof in the channels on the roof. For some reason, I don't know why Ford did this, but you've got obviously you've got channels which add strength to a flat sheet of, you know, you corrugate any material like that and it adds strength to it. That's fair enough, no one's grumbling about that. But when you got your recessed channel and then you come to the end and then you go up to the windscreen and then the other end you go up, walk like an idiot, up and then to the rear tailgate, you've got a trough and the water can't go anywhere. It just stagnates in there and then rusts or actually comes through the holes and makes the interior rusty. Okay, I'm just seeing stuff everywhere. I should really go over this in my wire wheel. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove some of this stuff, stick a bit of daub on it, and then come back tomorrow. I might go and just put my feet up because I have really been overdoing it, and I've got to learn. I can't just do a whole day doing stuff. I've got to pace myself because I suffered yesterday because I just did too much the day before, and so on and so on and so on. I can't really, but I'm glad I dug, to be fair. Well, I think I've put that to bed. You know, I just put my elbow in it, you stupid boy. Right, lads and lasses, I'm going to say goodnight from there, and it's only a short one. Most of these videos are going to be little shorties because I'm short. Right, thanks for looking. Like and subscribe, please, if you want me to be a millionaire in no time. I've only been online for 10 years so far. And I think my highest average view for a sort of like a recent video is about 300, which is great because that's the 300 people that matter the most to me. You guys. Right, like and subscribe, share, be good and stay safe. See you later, and don't drink this stuff.